we have been conducting summer camps every year without fail, and this year also we did it, and we just renamed it as Summer Smiles 2023, which kind of extended for over 3 weeks.
See the color through their eyes. Joy of little things in life. I can't fight up in the sky. Joy of little things in life. Wonder why it all feels right. Waking up to tea in my bed. Wonder why no troubles inside. Everything's at ease instead. Wonder why time can fly, no matter how long it be. Wonder why we're in paradise, no other place so happy. I see the color through their eyes. Joy of little things in life.
Treamis, we never restrict learning to just fact-finding or knowledge-giving or spoon-feeding. We always try and figure out ways and means to instill the skills in them which would help them to live this 21st century. And through this summer camp, probably what my team would have achieved is to make them fearless. That's what I have seen. All of you would have seen them on stage performing without fear.
Oh, where I don't feel away or cold. I see the color through their eyes. Joy of little things in life. I can't fight up in the sky. Joy of little things in life. Wonder why it all feels right. Waking up to tea in my bed. Wonder why no troubles inside. Everything's at ease instead. Wonder why time can fly, no matter how long it be. Wonder why we're in paradise, no other place so happy. I see the color through their eyes. Joy of little things in life. I can't fight up in the sky. Joy of little things in life. Wonder why it all feels right. Waking up to tea in my bed. Wonder why no troubles inside. Everything's at ease instead. Wonder why.
Tell me, how was the summer camp?